Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we will see a program which checks whether the string contains all the vowels or not. Let's begin. I am taking a string which contains all the vowels. Now I will create a set of vowels using a set method. Let's see using print method. Save this file, then go to CMD and run the file. Here you can see we have set of all the vowels. Now I will create an empty set. Set of empty dictionary gives you an empty set. Let's see using print method. Print of S, then come to the CMD, run the code. Here you can see empty set. Now what I will do is I will check each character of the string is vowel or not using a for loop. If the character is vowel, then I will add into the dictionary which we created just now. So I am writing for loop for char in string. If char in vowel, then add it into the set. If it doesn't match, then simply pass. Now after adding the characters of the string into the set, after checking whether it is vowel or not, let's check the length of the vowels with the length of the set. If it matches, then we can simply print the string has all the vowels, else string doesn't have all the vowels. So I am checking length of vowels with the length of set. If it matches, we can write string contains all the vowels, else print string doesn't contain all the vowels. Save this file and run this code. I will comment this and as well as this. Now run the code. Here I got some error, name vowel is not defined. So I am writing vowels, I have given vowels, so there is a typo mistake. Now you can check string contains all the vowels. Now what I will do is I will remove some vowels from this string. Save this file, run the code again. Here you can see string doesn't contain all the vowels. Like this, you can check whether the string has all the vowels or not. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.